Hey, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. I'm going to show you on this 2001 Lexus GS300, which is basically the same as a 98 to 05 GS300. I'm going to show you how to replace the headlight bulbs. Once you have the hood open, you can kind of reach in here and you'll want to turn the bulb counterclockwise. And this is the outer one. Pull it out. And then little tab right here, press down, disconnect the bulb, and then take your new bulb. Be very careful not to touch the glass filament. Put it in, make sure it snaps in and it's locked, and then you kind of have to just kind of bend over, see the hole that the light's going into, push it in place and just start turning clockwise as you're pushing on it, and keep turning it until it's locked. For this signal, it's actually the bulb is in from the side, so you're looking for this gray. Actually, I can pull it off. There's almost a gray socket that you reach down in here, turn counterclockwise, and then pull up and out. Okay, and this bulb just pulls right out of the socket. Okay, take your new bulb, put it in, and just so you know, this actually comes apart, so when you see it, this may be separated from the socket, so you just want to make sure that's together. Put it back down in, and then the smaller hands you have, the easier it'll be, but push the bulb into place. I have to do it by feel because my hands are bigger, but I can feel the whole guide, the whole socket in place. Push it in and just slowly turn clockwise until it's locked in. Should turn about a quarter of a turn clockwise. And this inner one's just like the outer. It's right here, counterclockwise. Bunch of wires and stuff around. Turn it counterclockwise and then pull it out. And then disconnect. Take your new bulb. Careful not to touch the glass. Lock it into place. And then carefully, again without touching the glass, guide it into place. You have to bring it so that the socket is kind of facing down and towards the middle of the car a little bit. Push it into place and then turn it clockwise to lock.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.